gonna show y'all how you beat a parvo distemper. We had took a few of the dogs to the vet. They caught parvo. A few of them passed away. Miss Willow, Miss Teddy passed away, and 3 of the old pups. 2 drops of this in the food and in the water. You're gonna need 2 things of wet food. I don't even use wet food. I hate wet food, but you need 2 of them. Mix it with the dry food. Just a drop of apple cider vinegar. Not too much because you don't want to make it bitter. They don't eat it at all. Hit 2 squirts of that. You're going to need a little bit of this medicine called Bay Trail. Try, grind that shit up as much as you can. Because they probably just spit it out. But you got to get that to them every 12 hours. Every 12 hours. Get out of here. Hit it with that. Just mix that shit up. And make sure you got some penicillin. You gotta have a penicillin. Put the probiotic in there. Everything counts. They're gonna need everything. Everything. And if y'all need some of that medicine or you gonna look for need, you can hit me up. And I might be able to send you some because with the vet wanted $7,000 per dog just to stay a few days. And I know ain't too many niggas got that shit. You feel me? So I've been doing this probably for like the last week and a half and shit. Everybody back healthy, everybody back good. But you just gotta make sure you stay consistent with it. You gotta be on it like clockwork. Here you go, B. My man Black was sick as shit. Like, he was fucked up. We didn't even know if he was gonna make it. But shit, he bounced all the way back. Ain't that right, B?